Good morning, students. Myself Yogesh Patil, and today we see from 11th standard mathematics paper first, chapter number 2, trigonometric functions, and today's topic example based on trigonometric function of specified angles. In previous video, we see how to find the trigonometric functions of specified angles. So today we see the examples on based on it. So first example, for theta equals to 30 degree, verify that sine 2 theta equals to 2 times sine theta cos theta. So we have to given that theta equals to 30 degree and sine 2 theta equals to 60 degree. So sine theta equals to sine 30 degree equals to 1 half and cos theta equals to cos 30 degree equals to root 3 by 2 and sin theta equals to sin 60 degree equals to root 3 by 2. So consider LHS. So 2 times sin theta cos theta, which is equals to 2 times 1 half into root 3 by 2. So equals to root 3 by 2, 2 to cancel here. So we get sin 2 theta, that is RHS. Hence we prove sin 2 theta equals to 2 times sin theta cos theta. Next example, using tables, evaluate the following. So in this example, we find cos 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus sin 30 degree into cos 60 degree. So we find the values of these examples. So first example, consider cos 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus sin 30 degree into sin 60 degree. So which is equals to root 3 by 2 into 1 half plus 1 half into root 3 by 2. So equals to root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4 and which is equals to root 3 by 2. Therefore cos 30 degree into cos 60 degree plus sin 30 degree into sin 60 degree equals to root 3 by 2. Next, 4 consider 4 times cos cube 45 degree minus 3 cos 45 degree plus sin 45 degree. So which is equals to 4 times 1 by root 2 cube minus 3 times 1 by root 2 square plus 1 by root 2. So we get 4 times 2 root 2 minus 3 times 2 plus 1 by root 2. So we get 4 minus root 3 by 2 plus 2 upon 2 root 2, that is 6 minus 3 root 2 upon 2 root 2. So here we take 3 common or we take 3 common. So we get 2 root 2 upon 2 root 2. Again we take 3 root 2 common. So we get root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 and root 2 cancel here. So 4 cos cube 45 degree minus 3 cos square 45 degree plus sin 45 degree equals to 3 into bracket 2 root 2 upon root 2. Now next example, consider sin 0 degree plus sin square pi by 6 plus sin square pi by 3 plus sin square pi by 2 equals to 0 degree plus 1 by 2 plus square plus root 3 by 2 square plus 1 square. So we get 0 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 equals to 1 plus 3 plus 4 upon 4, that is 2. So sin square 0 plus sin square pi by 6 plus sin square pi by 3 plus sin square pi by 2 equals to 2. Next one, consider sin pi plus 2 cos pi plus 3 sin 3 pi by 2 plus 4 cos 3 pi by 2 minus 5 sec pi minus 6 cosec 3 pi by 2. So which is equals to 0 plus 2 into bracket minus 1 plus 3 into bracket minus 1 plus 4 into bracket 0 minus 5 into bracket minus 1 minus 6 into bracket minus 1. So we substitute the values of sin pi, cos pi, sin 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, sec pi and cosec 3 pi by 2. So we get 6. Next example, find all trigonometric functions of an angle in standard positions whose terminal arm passes through the point P into bracket 4 3. So let theta be the measure of angles in standard position whose terminal arm passes through P43. So radius of OP equals to square root of x square plus y square equals to root of 4 square plus 3 square equals to 5. So P of xy equals to 4 by 4 3, x equals to 4 and y equals to 3, and we find the r equals to 5. And now we write down the all trigonometric functions. Sin theta equals to y upon r equals to 3 by 5. Cosec theta equals to r upon y equals to 5 by 3. Cos theta equals to x upon r equals to 4 by 5. So sec theta equals to 5 by 4. Tan theta equals to y upon x equals to 3 by 4. Therefore, cot theta equals to 4 by 3. See the diagram here. Next example, same type. Find all the trigonometric functions of an angle in standard position whose terminal arm passes through the point P into bracket P into bracket minus 5, 12. So see the diagram here. So solution, let theta be the measure of the angle in standard positions whose terminal arm passes through P into bracket minus 5, 12. So r equals to OP equals to x square plus y square. So under root of minus y 5 square plus 12 square, so equals to 13. So P of xy is minus 5, 12. So here x equals to minus 5, y equals to 12. And therefore, sin theta equals to 12 by 13, cosec theta equals to 13 by 12. Cos theta is 5 by 13, minus 5 by 13. Sec theta is minus 13 by 5. Tan theta equals to minus 12 by 5 and cot theta equals to minus 5 by 12. Next example. If sec theta equals to minus 3 and pi less than theta less than 3 pi by 2, then find the values of other trigonometric functions. So here given sec theta is minus 3. So we using cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta, so equals to minus 1 by 3. We have tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1. So tan square theta equals to 9 minus 1 equals to 8. Tan square theta equals to 8. And clearly theta lies in pi to 3 by 2 means in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan ratio is positive. So tan equals to 2 root 2. Hence cot theta equals to 1 upon 2 root 2. Also we have sin theta equals to tan theta into cos theta. So equals to 2 root 2 into minus 1 by 3. So equals to minus 2 root 2 upon 3. And hence cosec theta equals to minus 3 upon 2 root 2. Now next example. If sin x equals to 4 by 5, so 0 less than x less than pi by 2 and cos y equals to minus 12 by 13, pi by 2 less than y less than pi, then find sin x minus y and cos x minus y. So given sin x equals to 4 by 5, so cos square x equals to 1 minus sin square x. So cos square x equals to 1 minus 16 by 25 equals to 9 by 5, and angle x lies in first quadrant. So in first quadrant cos ratio is positive, so cos x equals to 3 by 5, and hence also given cos y equals to minus 12 by 13 and sin square y equals to 1 minus cos square y. So sin square y equals to 1 minus 144 upon 169, so equals to 25 upon 169, and angle y is lies in the second quadrant. Therefore sin y equals to 5 by 13 because in second quadrant sin ratio positive. Now consider sin x minus y equals to sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. So 4 by 5 into minus 12 by 13 minus 3 by 5 into 5 by 13. So we get 63 by 65. And cos x minus y equals to cos x cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Substituting the values, we get 3 by 5 into minus 12 by 13 minus 4 by 5, minus plus 4 by 5 into 5 by 13. So we get minus 16 by 35. Next example, if sec x equals to 13 by 5, x lies in the fourth quadrant and find the values of other trigonometric functions. So we have to give on sec x, so we write down clearly cos x equals to minus 5 by 13. And using tan square x equals to sec square x minus 1, so we get tan square x equals to 13 by 5 bracket square minus 1, so equals to 144 upon 25, and angle lies in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan ratio negative, so we get tan x equals to minus 12 by 5. So we get tan x, so which is also gives cot x equals to minus 5 by 12, and we know that sin x equals to tan x into cos x, so equals to minus 12 by 5 into 5 by 13, so we get minus 12 by 13, and cosec x equals to 1 upon sin x means minus 13 by 12. And next, if tan a equals to 4 by 3, find the value of 2 sin a minus 3 cos a upon 2 sin a plus 3 cos a. So using tan a, we find the sin a cos a first. So solution, the expression 2 sin a minus 3 cos a upon 2 sin a plus 3 cos a equals to, dividing here each term by cos x. So we get 2 tan a minus 3 upon 2 tan a plus 3. So value of tan a is 4 by 3, substitute in this, so we get minus 1 by 17. Next example, if sin theta equals to 12 by 13, 0 less than theta less than pi by 2, so find the value of the expression sin square theta minus cos square theta upon 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 upon tan square theta. So we have to give on sin theta. So we have to know sin theta. So we write down cos theta, find out it. Cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Using this equation, we get cos square theta equals to 25 upon 169, and angle lies in first quadrant. So cos theta is 5 by 13 and tan theta is 12 by 5. And therefore, the expressions becomes, substitute all the values, and we get the value of expression is 589 upon 720. Next example, if sec theta equals to root 2, 3 pi by 2 less than theta less than 2 pi, then find the value of the expression 1 plus tan theta plus cosec theta divided by 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. So using sec theta, we find the first cos theta, and now tan theta equals to 1, and angle lies in fourth quadrant, so tan theta equals to minus 1. Hence cot theta is also minus 1. And now sin theta equals to tan theta into cos theta. So minus 1 into 1 by root 2, so equals to minus 1 by root 2. And hence cosec theta equals to minus root 2. And then the value of expression. So substitute the all values of the terms 1 plus minus 1 plus minus root 2 upon 1 plus minus 1 minus minus root 2, so equals to minus 1. And last example today, if sin theta equals to minus 3 by 5 and angle theta lies in third quadrant, so find the all trigonometric ratios. So using sin theta, we find first cosec theta, then cos theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta gives cos theta equals to minus 4 by 5 because the angle lies in third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos theta negative, sec theta also negative, and tan theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta. So we get tan theta equals to 3 by 4 and cot theta equals to 4 by 3. So thank you for this. Now we see another examples in next lectures.